Hey everybody, welcome to episode 4 of White Spider Wednesday. Alright, today we're going to talk about celebrating the Shenandoah Apple Blossom Festival, which is one of my clients, and it's a wonderful event. It takes place every year, 40 plus events that go on. Quick update on the fraud case that I had mentioned in my previous video. If you haven't seen it yet, go back and check that out, please, and share it with everybody. Big scam that's going on called Overpayment Fraud. Won't get much into that. Just a quick update that things are still in the works, and it's getting settled. So it's just taking some time, but it's a big mess, and it'll all clear out, and everybody's going to be fine moving on. So yeah, celebrating the bloom. The festival is a huge thing that happens in Winchester, Virginia, and unfortunately this year, due to COVID-19, aka coronavirus, it got suspended, but they are doing a lot of virtual things, which is cool. There is a Cheers to the Bloom this Friday night, which is when Wine Fest would typically happen, and we're going to be doing a tribute to the parade. So yes, I'm sporting my Apple Blossom hat, rocking it out. So they're going to do a tribute to the parade on May 2nd. So check out thebloom.com and official SABF on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and Twitter. Lots of cool things going on virtually. So also something I wanted to kind of talk about is I've got a lot of products on my website now since I've had a little bit of extra downtime. I've been working on my store. So I got shirts, I got hats, I've got tote bags, beach bags, backpacks, and there's going to be more products being added. I'm going to add this mug, which just came in. I've got a few of those handy that I'll put up in my store. But check that out at whitespiderinc.com. And there's some pretty cool stuff there. I've been, using some of my photography and a lot of the products. I'm going to be doing some other art-related stuff. I've got some old paintings and drawings that I did from about 20 plus years ago that I've hung on to, and I'm going to be adding these to some shirts and some products and some other things down the road. So keep an eye out for that. So talking about Apple Blossom. Every year, I've been working with them for 17 years now. They're one of my favorite clients, and I always enjoy working with them. And so every year we come up with what's called a theme design. And so it's we get together, we talk about the ideas, we come up with a theme, and then it's my job to come up with the artwork. And so the final is what you see goes on to like program cover. Now this is last year's. Unfortunately, there won't be a program printed this year, but for our theme announcement, we did put it on the brochure that is given out at the theme announcement. So, it all starts off with some sketches, and I'm just going to quickly show you some, a few sketches that I had done. Here's another one, and here's one more. And this was actually the closest to the final. And then here is the final drawing that I did for this year's theme. So this was all done color pencil. It took hours upon hours over the course of several days. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the complete time lapse of that artwork from start to finish. And you'll get a chance to see that and see how everything progressed over time, which is really cool. So without further ado, here is that video. So we are back, and I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. That was pretty cool. It was the first time I always wanted to do a time lapse of the entire drawing and the process, or the artwork, and however it may happen. Sometimes it's hand drawn, sometimes it's computer drawn, a mix of photography and so on and so forth. But that was the first time I really wanted to record everything from start to finish, and it turned out really neat. It was cool to watch it back and see the whole process. Anyway, hope everybody is doing good, staying home, staying strong, staying healthy. We are starting to see some good results here, so hang in there. Comments, suggestions of stuff that you'd like to see down the road, hit me up, let me know. I always want to hear some ideas and things that you might want to see for future content. And on YouTube, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see new episodes when they come out. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Love you guys. Take care.